Greetings, Marc Fragos here with another blog tutorial for event technology. If you want to learn more how we can help you with your event technology, you can look me up at marcfragos.com. Today, I'm going to focus in on an alternative to rigging. We know that costs are soaring in various venues, and sometimes there's not even any points where you need them. It's often that we can overlook sometimes the obvious, and that's ground support. With a well thought out design, you can oftentimes get yourself into a situation where you're maximizing your efficiencies by using ground support. And today we're going to see how we can utilize CAD software in particular to help us during an event that is actually restricting us from rigging anything from the ceiling. We're going to do this by means of this ground supported truss, and then we're going to discuss our CAD software, how it can help demonstrate and determine a way of hiding the ground supports and optimizing the audience sight lines. In short, if you don't have a production company or an AV company that's not offering you an option to look at your event in CAD, then come knocking on our door. We'd love to provide that for you. Anyway, this is a Genie Tower. It's a basic tool, and for those of you that may not be familiar with it, I'll give you a quick overview. It's a solid structure, and it ranges in different sizes, but it's a very handy tool. It's very cost efficient, and it can be utilized again to ground support various types of truss. I'm going to stick a stick of it in there and build a nice little lighting rig for us. Again, this venue that we're looking at, this is a real-world job that we're working on right now, and we've designed a nice layout for the stage, and here's the podium and this upstage truss that's going to be used for our video. We're going to be shooting some video footage, and want to get some nice backlight, and we're going to put a little bit more lights on there by the time it's all said and done, but wanted to give you again this overview. Notice these Genie towers that are over here. One of the biggest objections to a Genie tower is the sightline issue that it creates. Right? You got this big solid structure that we just showed you sitting on a floor, and depending on what perspective you may be looking, you can get a nasty bar right here. You can see that could obstruct your view. One of the ways that we can overcome that is, again, by bringing something into a good layout program, CAD program, and making sure that you can tighten up the design of your floor. And in this case, we're going to recess just a little bit this back drape line. Instead of going straight across, we're going to do a little bit of an indentation or a recession here on the back wall. What that's going to do, you might notice, is take the Genie tower and put it directly behind the drape. What's that do to our sight line? Let's take a quick look, and we know it's going to make it disappear. And that's very valuable for us. If you notice right here, this Genie tower now is behind the drape, and it's going to make for a very even, unobstructed view. You notice the audience that's now sitting from the same perspective can see everything very cleanly and very simply. This also gives us the ability to take this upstage truss and hang any types of lights, and give us a tremendous amount of options when we're trying to, in this case, get this set for some video taping. And again, nice, clean, and elegant look, as you can see. Pretty cool stuff. Did a little animation for it as well. Might as well play that back for your viewing pleasure. And again, if you notice in these areas right here, we've been able to recess that Genie tower, as you can see, just barely peering over there. But with a nice little lighting scheme, it can be well hidden. Again, Marc Fragos. You can see me at marcfragos.com and how we can help you with your live events. Love the fact that you watched, and we appreciate everything you do for us. Have a great day.